Hello guys, welcome to PC Chat Hairs. So in this video I'm going to be transforming this bald hair to a beautiful Afro kinky twist, so stay tuned, watch and learn. So we're going to be using 1 pack of Afro kinky. You bring it out and you're going to cut it into 4. That's this one long strand, cut it into 2, then cut it another into 2, so that's into 4. So that is the length I'm going to be using in this video. If you have watched this video up to this point and you have not subscribed and liked this video, please kindly subscribe, like this video, hit the notification bell so be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. So we're going to be starting. So I rubbed my hair cream on the hair so it's not be too dried when I'm making it. So I use 2 methods to make this hair actually, so I'm going to be telling you guys the 2 methods now and you will watch the rest of the video to see what I told you guys. So this down is a little bit short and I cannot use the method I was planning to use. I was planning to use a knotless braid method, but this down is very short, so I'm going to be picking it from the down with the Afro kinking and going forward. While from after this down parts, this down line, the second line getting up, I'm going to be doing the knotless braid method, which is I will plait it with the natural hair at the beginning, then while going I will add the Afro kinking to it and finish it. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So watch the video. The first method, which is this, I plaited it from the down with the Afro kinking, while the second method you plait with the natural hair before adding your Afro kinking and twisting it down. So watch the video and you will see what I was talking about. If you watch to this point, watch the videos to this point and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like this video, thumbs up, hit the notification bell so be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. So this is what I'm talking about the second part. Plait it from the down, then you add your Afro kinking. So enjoy this video.